Hello, my name is Pascale. I'm the manager at the Beauty Lounge, and today I will give you a short video about one thing that I'm doing being 27 weeks pregnant that I find really helpful to help manage my cellulite and sometimes water retention, which is something that can happen throughout the pregnancy because your hormones change a lot. When we dry body brush, so we always brush towards the lymph nodes. So the main ones are here, just in between the legs, and you have some under your arms. So you're always gonna use a movement that's going through this direction. So the reason is that it would help remove the toxins. So sometimes you have toxin that would get stuck in some area on your body, here and here. It's also gonna help to remove the water retention, which are often the case when you're pregnant with the hormone changing. It will also help removing some toxin that can be stuck in the body and help stimulate your immune system. So this technique, you can do it either in the morning, you can do it after you shower at night, doesn't matter, but I like to do it once a day. So what you need, so you need either a chair, or you can do it on the side of your bath or on the side of your bed. So I'll put one of my legs up and I will start and do some movements towards the heart. So I'll go, it doesn't have to be hard. So usually you do it without clothes on. And yeah, so I like using my hands too, so it brings the lymph up as well. So you would do it everywhere. And don't forget the back of your legs, because that's where we tend to have a lot more cellulite. This is any women, so it doesn't have to be pregnant to do that, or so the benefits is really good. So it helps to remove toxins and also help with the immune system. So once you finish one leg, so you put your legs down and you already can feel the difference. So you can feel that one leg is lighter than the other. So then you do the other one. And another place that I like doing is this place here. So that's where we also can have lots of fat of cellulite. So you will bring it back to the front here. Like that. And one place that I like is doing the arms. So you would do the same, so some movement towards the heart. And don't forget the bits here, really important. And one place that I also like to finish with, so I'll go on top of my breast, so I'll go on top here, bring it under here, so that's where you have a lymph node. So you go here and you go under here, which is quite important, so to remove any toxin that could be stuck inside your breast. There's another thing that I do in my daily routine, and it is to moisturize my skin. Especially when you're pregnant, it's really important. That would help reduce the stretch mark. So what I like doing is using the Pure Fiji body oil, especially the milk and honey one is specifically designed to improve the elasticity of the skin. So I would take a shower when you're still warm and damp. So you put some oil over your body. Be really generous on your tummy, because this is the area where we would like to put more concentration on. And you will massage it in, and you use a towel, and a few minutes after you're ready to put your clothes on, and it's not gonna be too greasy.